How to make money with Pinterest, earn $100 per day. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with earning money on Pinterest. So let's get into it. Now, Pinterest is an amazing platform that will enable you to monitor your stats. You can open up a business account on Pinterest and see all of your impressions, your top pins as well, and see all the outbound links that you have as well. Now, what enables you to earn money on Pinterest? Well, there is a very large phenomena of targeting your market. Because if you are on Pinterest and you're not targeting any specific niche market, then you're not going to be able to earn money. And I have found off of many research studies, of many marketing studies, and people have marketing degrees to learn this, but women in their early 30s to above 35, that is a very lucrative market. Why? These women have jobs, they have money, and they have extra income to spare. Oftentimes, these women are, not having any partners. So they have a lot of disposable income. They don't have any kids and they have a lot less responsibility. So they have a lot of disposable income. Plus, they are looking for things to buy. And this is based off of scientific studies. So I have found that creating female targeting products towards females has worked better for my business. Now, that doesn't mean you can't target products towards males, but to focus on your strategy, I think you should find a lucrative market. So do your own research as well and find a lucrative market. Now, once you have your market, just search for a couple of products that would fit. Now, for my market, let's say I search for yoga pants. Now, all I have to do is search for yoga pants on, Pinterest, and what you're going to see, there are a bunch of different results for yoga pants. I'm going to turn off some of my research tools over here, but you can see there are a bunch of different yoga pants, and what you can see is that oftentimes these are all linking towards another company, and what you're going to do is you're going to follow the same strategy. So you're simply just going to upload a image of your product, and you're going to link it on Pinterest. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I just want to earn money on Pinterest. How do I go from Pinterest to product? Well, it's very simple and easy. You can use any platform like Printify or Printiful. They're both amazing platforms. You can go into their catalog, and I can just click on sportswear in their Printify catalog. And you can see they have yoga pants for women, women's casual leggings, high-waisted yoga leggings, and I'm going to click on this. Now, what I can do is that once I have this specific item, I can go on ahead and create my own design. So I can create my own print. And if I go back on Pinterest, I can search for printed yoga pants, and you can see there are so many different results, and a lot of these are linking to Etsy, towards other websites, and these are just selling these yoga pants. They just provide these images for inspiration, and you can also write something about them if you want to, but you can directly just link them because these people are just looking for things that could help them elevate their day to day. Pinterest is like a platform for people to gather their ideas. And once people have gathered their ideas, what better thing to do than to purchase their ideas? So that is one of the basic ways that you can earn money with marketing. And that is all you have to do. So go on to Printify and you can create your own design. Now, the best part about this is that you can do this with no investment capital. Your design doesn't even exist until someone purchases it, and then Printify will, you can even link your Printify account directly to your Pinterest account, and then whenever someone directs your Shopify account, and whenever someone, goes from Pinterest onto your Shopify store and purchases, they will directly ship it to them, and you can see. So all you have to do is go on over and create your design. Now, you might be wondering, hey, even if I know how to create my design, how do I create a design if I am, not a graphic designer, if I don't have the skill set? Well, first off, it's super easy to create a design using Canva. You can create a bunch of different amazing designs and paste them on Printify. But if you don't want to do that either, you can go on to Fiverr and look for a graphic designer to design your items, although this is a bit more complicated because you're hiring another person, then you're going to have to pay them, and that's going to reduce your profit margin. But if we take a look at this, so the price of this is $32 even without Printify Premium. So $32 and plus, let's round it off to $35. And then if we go on to Pinterest and take a look at the multiple different leggings available over here, and if I just click on the links over here, to these little items that we have, you can see these leggings are being sold for $55. So and that's like a $20 margin. So you can earn upwards of $20 to $15 with these simple products on the Pinterest account. So all you have to do is create these products using Printify and create specific products that sell to your niche market. Make sure you're targeting the right audience and target that audience with a bunch of different products. Now, other than that, you can also do affiliate marketing with your Pinterest account as well. Now, before I get into Pinterest affiliate marketing, the other thing you want to do whenever you create products like this is that you can go on to Merch on Demand by Amazon and you can create the item using Amazon Merch on Demand and list it on Amazon as well. Then what you're going to do is that in your Pinterest listing over here, instead of linking to your Shopify store or Etsy store, you can link to your Amazon store. What this will do is that the more times people go from Pinterest onto your Amazon store, the more Amazon thinks that your product is popular, the more Amazon will push your product on their own platform as well. So now you will be making sales twice as much. So that will give you like a pat on your Amazon sales as well. And then Amazon will promote your product further and you will get more sales on Amazon. Now, other than that, you can also do affiliate marketing with a platform like Bluehost on Pinterest as well. It's super efficient and you can create your own website where you can create product recommendations and then put all of those recommendations over here on Pinterest. We can link to those products over here. They might be physical products, they might be digital products, so you can search for hosting. Now, this is not targeting a niche market, this is just affiliate marketing, and you can see, the best web hosting for beginners and bloggers, and then you can link Bluehost over here. And then if you take a look at their affiliate program, so if we go to their affiliate program over here, they pay over $65. So you're going to get $65 every once someone uses your referral link to purchase their hosting. And that is on one purchase. So if you're promoting thoroughly on Pinterest, you will easily be able to get quite a few different people to go ahead and view your affiliate products, browse them, purchase them. And you can do this with multiple different affiliate products. It doesn't have to be Bluehost either. So you can use your niche market and find affiliate programs for that niche market and use those as well. So if we're targeting women in their 30s, we can use makeup product and you can use CPA Grip. So CPA Grip is another, affiliate marketing platform where you can find multiple different types of products instead of just one product and promote those on Pinterest as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with making money on Pinterest with these simple and efficient ways. It's easy, simple, and I do think that you can create your own designs using Canva. It's rather simple and sell them via Printify or Printful on your Pinterest platform. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and I will catch you guys in the next video.